That's it is.
Okay. All right, and I'm Judge Alls. So you have Archer County charge of arson, which is a felony in the first degree. You understand this?
Yes.
You're aware of it. You have any hearing problems?
No.
Here are your rights. You have the right to an attorney, have him or her present prior to and during any interview or questioning by peace officers or attorneys representing the state. You may have reasonable time and opportunity to consult with your attorney if you desire. Understand that? You cannot afford an attorney. You have the right to request the appointment of an attorney. To be present prior to and during any interview or questioning by peace officers or attorneys representing the state. You request the appointment of an attorney, and I understand you already have one, so he's already contacted my office.
I was aware of I've been working on this.
Okay.
For the time I got here, I used the phone since then. I've been aware of things.
Well, we got notification from Jeff Eves that he was representing.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm gonna put no for now, since he has contacted my office, that you don't need the state to provide you one.
Okay.
Later on, then we will, if you do need it, Jeff Eves has given me incorrect information. Change it. Okay, you have the right to remain silent. You're not required to make a statement. Any statement you make can and may be made, may use against you in court. You have the right to stop any interview or questioning at any time. You have the right to an examining trial. You have any questions about these rights? Your bond set at $550,000. You have any questions I might be able to answer?
No, you know.
Okay.
Okay, good for now.
Your signature here, there's a statement right there, all your signing, we went over this form. Pass it to your left.
Thank you, sir.
She used her whole.
There's no sign.
You do too.
Huh?
Mr. Judge, you do too. You go, Judge.
This yellow copy is your copy. You can take it with you now, or they can put it with your property. Put it with your property. I have one other thing that's been requested, and I agreed. There is when you do bond out, there is a bond condition. And I have to read it to you, and you'll get a copy of this. I have to read it to you, and then I'll need a signature on the 21st day of May 2025. Garrison Grant Burkett, defendant in number and entitled cause currently in custody for arson. On release from custody, defendant shall abstain from the use of alcohol and illegal drugs. Defendant shall commit no offense against the laws of the state of Texas or any state or of the United States or any other country. If arrested, defendant shall notify the 97th District Attorney's Office within the next business day after being released. Defendant shall not possess weapons of any kind. Defendant shall have no contact in any form, including but not limited to in person, written, by phone, text, through third parties or social media, or any other contact through third parties. Defendant shall not pass within 500 yards of persons listed below and residents listed below, farm or ranch land of the following individuals: Cindy Burkett. Locations include 560 West Wilson Ranch Road, Archer County, Texas. All land, properties, and structures owned by Cindy Burkett. Defendant shall submit to GPS electronic monitoring with restrictions provided by the Archer County Adult Probation Officer. Defendant shall have no violations of said restrictions and be responsible for all costs for said device. Defendant shall have the device installed prior to being released from the Archer County Jail. That's basically an ankle monitor. Like I say, if you copy this also. And the signature.
Not the first one. Here it is.
Pass that to your laser.
Thank you, sir.
You did better, worse than I am about a pen.
You go, Judge.
She gonna put you back in there for a few minutes, and then I'll have a little bit more paperwork. I can't be here when you make phone calls, but I can hear her respond if you do that. She gonna put you back in there, and as soon as I leave, it's only be a few minutes, you'll let you back out to me.
I do have one question.
Okay,
What y'all thought for date is?
today is Thursday, the 22nd.
This organ be in there.
I understand. I understand.
Thanks.
So do you want your vote?
Yeah.
Do you want your vote? Okay.
Thank you.
Mhm.